Dimplex is proud to introduce the innovative Multifier XD Firebox. If change is good, then the all-new Dimplex Multifier XD offers something truly incredible. Every possible visual and performance improvement has been applied to what is now the preeminent electric firebox in the Dimplex product line. So let's say hello to Multifier XD, or perhaps we should wave hello. The exclusive G-Wave feature recognizes hand gestures near the firebox and brings this dazzling new flame to life, but we'll show you more of G-Wave later. First, let's look at the clean, low-profile frame that offers a full view of the magic within. The pulsing embers and log grate sit right down on the hearth as they would with a real wood fire. Look at the depth of the fire and how the flames appear between the split logs. The logs are cast from authentic hardwood, then meticulously charred and arranged to provide maximum depth and realism. Some log details are only visible in the mirror, giving a more random and natural look. This is the detail and quality that only real logs offer. Now let's have a closer look at the all-new Multifier XD flame technology. Do you prefer the look of a gas flame? Something more artistic? Or would you rather have a classic wood fire? Multifier XD lets you choose and enjoy exactly what you want. Press the Themes button on the multifunction remote control to enjoy the first theme, which is the natural wood fire effect. Theme 2 provides a gas-style flame with its hallmark blue flame. Press the Themes button again and things get a little more artistic. Themes 3 and 4 are red and blue, followed by Theme 5 called Prism, which randomly cycles through colors one at a time. Theme 6 is Kaleidoscope, which cycles multiple colors at the same time. Last is the Personal setting, where you can customize the flame to your own taste. With any flame or color setting, you also have the choice to select full or low brightness, or flickering top light with full or low brightness. The choices with Multifier XD are almost endless, so you'll be sure to find the look that's perfect for you. Now let's warm things up a little. Use the remote control to turn on the Comfort Saver heating system, and you immediately hear this powerful yet efficient heater activate. At full power, the safe ceramic heating element and dual blower fans provide supplemental heat for up to 1,000 square feet. And most importantly, Comfort Saver uses exclusive heating technology to maintain precise room temperature so you feel perfectly cozy. That precision also makes Comfort Saver more energy efficient than a conventional electric fireplace. To better understand how Comfort Saver does all this, we should first look at how other electric fireplaces heat. The heater and fan in a conventional fireplace, including those that use quartz infrared, is always either full on or full off. They also rely on inaccurate thermostats, which combined make it impossible to keep the room at an even, comfortable temperature. As a result, the temperature cycles between too hot or too cold as the heater is either full on or off. These temperature swings cause discomfort and waste energy. Just imagine if you only drove your car at full speed or coasting. Comfort Saver is different and revolutionary. It uses a precision thermostat and patented technology that automatically adjusts both the amount of heat and fan speed to keep the room at exactly the right temperature. If we think of the car comparison again, the Comfort Saver is on cruise control, maintaining just the right amount of heat without any wasted energy. As a result, the Comfort Saver heating system delivers better comfort using 11% less energy than a conventional electric fireplace, including quartz infrared. You can adjust the set temperature of the Comfort Saver heating system using the remote control. The display will indicate the set temperature. If a quick temperature increase is what you need, the heat boost function will have you toasty warm in no time. Press the heat boost button to enjoy 5 minutes of full heat, or press repeatedly for 10, 15, or 20 minutes. Then once more if you wish to turn the heat boost off. Heat boost is perfect if you're coming in from the cold or entering a room where the heat has been turned down. Press the Eco Mode button to automatically lower heat output to achieve maximum energy savings. This is also an ideal setting when the Firebox is on a shared circuit with a TV or other electronics to ensure that everything can run at the same time without overloading the circuit. Eco Mode is also virtually silent, so you can enjoy the comfort without the noise. To set the sleep timer, press the timer button on the remote control. The timer can be adjusted in 30-minute increments up to 8 hours. Pressing the timer button again after the 8-hour setting will cancel the timer. To deactivate the heater so that none of the heater functions operate, press and hold the temperature adjust down button and then the heat boost buttons on the remote control. Simply repeat that process to reactivate normal heater operation. To change the display between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press and hold the temperature adjust down button and then the temperature adjust up buttons on the remote control. As we mentioned at the start, you can control the main power and heater using the G-Wave feature. G-Wave recognizes simple hand gestures, including up for on and down for off. To turn the heater on or off, simply hold your hand in front of the sensor for 3 seconds. The heater will turn on at the previous heat settings. G-Wave can also activate the demonstration mode, which cycles through all Multifier XD features. To view this excellent sales tool, simply hold your hand in front of the sensor for 7 seconds. The heater will turn on or off after 3 seconds, but continue to hold your hand until the unit beeps and the demonstration mode begins. The unit automatically returns to its previous settings at the end of the demonstration. To disable the G-Wave function, use a paperclip to press the Disable button just below the sensor. Follow the same steps to enable G-Wave again.